How is there lounge that gives you shape? It's a flare, it's a bell bottom, it's a crop top, it's a cardigan, it's a 3-piece course meal. Look at my hand, look at my hand. Look at my hands. That's how I feel right now. Hello there people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. It's like my favorite time of the year. I love autumn. I love the clothing, I love the styling, and today I have a good old-fashioned styling try on because you know what, it is that time and I really feel like I've got to a place where I know what I need in my clothing collection. I know what suits me, I know the key pieces that I have, and today I'm going to show you what I've got. And today I am particularly showing you all the items from my collaboration with Lavish Alice. Oh my gosh, that I'm very excited to share with you all. Almost everything that's in my collaboration is like perfect for the season that is ahead of us. It's more cozy, it's more soft, it's autumn winter, it's luxurious, it feels amazing, and I feel like you can build a whole like capsule wardrobe for autumn winter. This is what you have here, and if you guys want to know how and why I ended up collaborating with Lavish Alice, I can share with you quickly that I have worn them for years. When I was nominated for my first ever awards, which was in Germany, I wore Lavish Alice. When I did my book launch, I wore Lavish Alice. It was a brand for me that when I wanted a touch of sophistication, I'd go to their website looking for clothing that I could wear. I couldn't always afford really high-end extreme designer items, but this was the brand that was always there when I wanted a quality piece for a special occasion. But this collection is all about lounge, comfort, but with that same level of excellence. So I'm going to try everything on so you guys can see how cute we are going to be looking together for the autumn winter. We're gonna leave this year with a bang. Here we have outfit numero uno. Yes, I'm doing the Italian because I've got it like that. Outfit number one. This is one of my favorite sets in my collection. Do you see it? Do you see it? Yeah, and I love it. I love it. All I need is a Birkin now. I love this set. I love the drape. I'll show you guys this here. Look at this satin drapey situation. We're going for dinner. We're going for brunch. Yes, but we're going and we're going to look expensive and classy. The whole thing is basically about like lounge and comfort, but you know, elevated, because we're elegant out here. We're elegant. Now, it's so funny. We have two different sets in this collection that are satin and luxury, but we also have the best like comforty lounge stuff. Yeah, but this is my favorite set. Actually, I'm going to say that about every single piece, but here's what these satin pants fit like. Look at them. They are loose as well. They can be loose or they can be a bit more fitted. These are probably a size too small for me because, you know, the curves are really strong right now, but I love this set for anyone who's a bit more modest and who likes to cover up but also look real classy. We've got it. We don't need clavicle, we don't need titties, but we still look on a 10. Make it make sense. It makes sense to me. Now, you wouldn't know that you needed a new t-shirt until you saw this t-shirt. This t-shirt is all about the fit. It comes in, it has a corset-y situation here. It's made of this beautiful, like malleable, buttery, soft material. So yeah, this t-shirt, it fits like a glove. It has this like corset detail, giving us a waist. We've got another waist. You know I'm all about having a little bit of a waist there, guys, aren't I? But I love the way this t-shirt fits, and I'll show it to you with another favorite of mine. Guys, do you see it? Do you see this? Can we get into this? I love this situation here, guys. It's like a rib woolen material. It's super cozy, but super comfortable as well. And the color that you'll see throughout my collection is Biscuit. So there's this style here, which you wear with a corset. I don't know if you know that Lavish Alice, they kind of have this trouser style that I've worn for ages, which has this corset detailing, and now the fact that they've brought this in with like this comfort material is phenomenal. I'm so glad to have this piece in my collection. It's very me, guys. I think this is perfect for this season right now. Ready? Okay, so carrying on with the biscuit trend, this is a dress. This is a dress, yeah, it is a dress. Loving this dress. It's in this biscuit color. I love the fact that it's got these beautiful buttons all the way down. They're kind of shiny, but I quite like that because obviously it's such a casual material. I think it just made it look a little bit more fun. And it's, again, they're all about shape, and And this is why I partnered with Lavish Alice. They're all about shape and sophistication, and I feel like it's just so flattering on. I love it. I'd wear this with like a little MAC or some kind of situation. I am in love with how this fits and also how it feels. It's so tactile. It's beautiful. The biscuit continues, the flare leg continues, and the glamorousness continues, but also in comfort. I love this set here. I love a good jumpsuit. I love a jumpsuit that is flattering. And this material is so thick that it does kind of hide lumps and bumps, but it shows what you want to show. But this tie detail is great around the waist, and it's also great at creating illusion. I love this kind of neckline here, and it fits like a dream, really. Let's keep it real. It's a dream. And from the back, because of this detail here, there's like a crisscross that comes all the way around. It's so nice. It's so nice. This is such a beautiful autumn winter piece that you can wear out at any point in time. Damn, the love continues on this here. I'm so excited. I'm so gassed. I can't even speak English properly right now, but I think you guys are going to love these pieces. And there's quite a lot to choose from, and you know, that's just because I had a lot of ideas. And they had a lot of ideas, and we melted that all together. No, I love it. You guys know I love the fit situation. We have the same in grey, but it's slightly different. It's got slightly different buttons on it and a slightly different clasp, but the principle's quite similar. Oh my god, I love this set even more. Okay, so another comfortable loungy situation. This is in the grey. It's of course the same shape. Not every piece is like this. Don't worry, there are options if you're not quite into this just yet, but I love it personally. Again, it's loungy, it's comfortable, but like elevated. The cardigan is long. You can wear it off the shoulder or on the shoulder. And the thing about a lot of these pieces, you can wear them with things that you already have. You don't have to wear it like this, but you're probably gonna want to. You're probably going to want to. I remind myself of my mum. Wow. No, I'm really happy with this. I love this set. It's so cute. Yeah. So here is another set for you. We're giving you Satin Elegance again. I think this is another great two-piecer. I love it, and it's similar to the black one in terms of the material and the fit, but there are some differences. So for instance, this trouser is more of a wide leg rather than a ruche leg, and then obviously it's in this beautiful money navy. I've just got to call this coins. Can I hear a cha-ching? Because I look like I'm worth $1 million if I do say so myself. Cow neck situation going on here. Pocket here. Just, do you see me? Where are we traveling? I need to play coffee, you know, right now. Like, where will we go when the quarantine thing done? Well, we're still gonna buy this anyway because there will be moments. I love this. It's so cute. It's so gorgeous. It's so casual. It's so easy to wear. And I think that the whole thing that I wanted to do was something a bit more elegant, a bit more elevated. And I think that you get that in a piece like this. I kid you not. This is going to be the most beautiful, comfortable, soft lounge you're ever going to touch. And I've always said that I don't really love me in like sportswear and like joggers because it just doesn't suit my body type, but it's all about the cut and it's all about the shape, and we have really worked together to get a much more flattering sportswear joggers look. I am loving this when it comes to lounge. We're all in, but we want to feel good. We want to feel like we're put together. Even if we are wearing casual outfits, this set here, it's just so good. It's just so good. This is more like an off-white versus a biscuit, but we have biscuit ones with hoods as well. And funny enough, I'm extra like that, but we even have a blazer in the same material. You wouldn't necessarily need to wear it all together. It could be too much. This I actually wear with like a little t-shirt and the joggers to style it, but just so you know, the option is here. It's so soft. It's so lovely. You have to get it to feel it, okay? Get to feel it. I love this piece. So here we have another casual set. It's in the biscuit. It's slightly different to the other one. And what you'll notice that there are no like two pieces that are exactly the same. It's not like, oh, there's this top in 5 colors. It's not really like that. This one has a hoodie with it. I love stuff like this. I would actually put a blazer on top of it, or like a little jacket or a little MAC on top of this. I am so open to it. When it comes to lounge, I want to make sure that I feel comfortable, I feel like myself in it, and I feel like that in this piece. And again, it's buttery soft. We have another set here, and yeah, this is a favorite. This is a favorite. How is there lounge that gives you shape, where you don't look like a sack of potatoes, where you look like you've tried? Yeah, this is it. How are we gonna add a little corset under boobage detail to a lounge set? Yeah, we did that. We did that in this beautiful green khaki situation here. It tapers in at the ankle just a bit. It fits beautifully at the waist. We have our pockets. This is such a great set. I just thought it was the most creative idea. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna take credit that I thought of this. No, I worked with such a great design team, and they came up with this, and I was like, I'm sold. I'm sold to the highest bidder. Yeah, I was sold on this. Okay, little khaki dress. We have the green theme continuing. I feel like this is giving me what waist right now. I really do think it's doing that. I love the way that this makes my body look. Again, it has this detail, the like wrap detail here, which is even more flattering, pulls you in and everything. From the back, you can get a bit of the rolls, but also a bit of the booty. I love the crisscross detail. This is so nice. Look at this. Look at this. So sticking with the dresses, here's another dress. So you can see there's a variety here, but they're all in this gorgeous like knit material. This dress here, I think, is for the girls who like a little bit more glamour, who want to show a little clavicle, a little boobie. Again, it's all about the shape, but also about the way that this feels. I love the burgundy color. I think we have two other pieces in this kind of color. I wish there were kind of a few more, but hey, we're here. Look at this. It's so nice. I love these puff shoulders. I love the sleeves situation going on, and it does have a tie, but I like to tie at the back because it gives me even more of a tiny waist. Probably see it's made of this really nice knit material. It's like lounging, but not lounging. I can't explain it, but I love it. So this comes under my Boss Babe category. Again, in a really nice comfortable material, and the cow neck. And I'll show you, we have this other cow neck top as well. If you don't want the dress, there's also this. They are so beautiful. And I'm so surprised that I haven't worn cow neck more, because it's just such a flattering shape, particularly if you're like someone who's a bit more conservative. And even, it doesn't even matter if you are or you aren't. It doesn't really matter. It's all about the shape that it gives, and it's such a feminine silhouette. It's wild. This dress, look at it. This is like a worky, special occasion, I mean business, give me my rent, you've been a bad boy kind of dress. Again, it's in the kind of loungy knit material. I can't explain the material other than it's really good, really high quality. You will be able to tell the quality between this and any other brand that is out there. Hey, you wouldn't know you needed this, but you do need it. A little culotte, a little cow neck situation here. Love this. It's not my normal style, but they really wanted me to push myself out of the boat. If I thought about myself as someone maybe a little bit more elegant, you know, likes a culotte situation, this would be where I'd be at. It's in this beautiful, lovely material, and I feel like there's someone who this is going to be absolutely perfect for. So in pictures, this dress looks like it's just like a cute little basic navy dress, but on this dress is something wild. The fit, the shape, how it looks and feels on is stunning. It's got this gorgeous like ruching detail down the side. It's made of this lovely material. I don't even know how to explain how it makes it so soft and tactile, but also sucks you in comfortably. There's something about the shape of this that I just love. From the neckline that is a little bit higher for a bodycon dress, and to this little slit here that is just really, really flattering. Like this slit here is so nice. It's got the slit on both sides, and it's got the ruching that just makes the shape look so good. Like honestly, I know this looks like it's a plain dress, but this ruching, the fabric, the fit is transformative. I love it. You wouldn't know that this top hits, but it hits so beautifully. And as you can see, this like neckline, this shape is just so powerful. It's so feminine, and I love it. This top can be worn with jeans. I'm wearing dark jeans. I think dark jeans are coming back. Love it. I love this top. And again, if you want to cover up a little bit, you want to try something new, you want a top that stands out, It's here, it's here. We've got quite a few different tops. The t-shirt I had on in white, we also have it in grey. And then we have this. So this is this top on. Visualize it with the satin joggers as well, or something black and something a bit more simple. I actually love the layered look without having to layer it. It's slightly cropped, but it's not something that's like super all the way up for those of you who don't like wearing crops. And then there is this top here, which is giving you the puffer de la sleeves. I love this with a pair of jeans, but I'll also wear it with the corset based trousers. Perfect. And I have a lot of these tops in from Lavish Alice that I've had for years, and they have them in shirt form and many different forms, and this is the first time I've seen it in this form, so I'm really excited about this one. When it's less bright you can actually see it a bit better now. Can you see that? Can you see it? It's not white, it's more like an off-white. So many different styles for so many different types of people. I love this one here. I love the shape of this. It is in like a nice knit material, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the corset under bust detail, just giving you a little lift and a little bit of support here. I like it buttoned all the way to the top as well. These are super high quality pieces with expensive hardware. It's not cheapy. It's not gonna fall apart. No. I love this top with a black pair of jeans, wide leg jeans. What? Excuse me. Autumn, I'm ready for you. So you can see the cup detail on this here, and I'm hoping you can see the ribbing detail here, but it has got such a nice shape on this. I love it. And then we have a couple of bodysuits that are all about the fit and the material. These are double layered. It's not just any bodysuit. Trust me, it really isn't. It is smashing me in with a smashing me in. It's so gorgeous. You can't tell, I think, just by looking at it here, but it is actually like giving me a little bit of a suck in. It's super warm, it's super cozy. We have this in the black and also in a white. Then look at this piece here. Interesting. Blue, fabulous. It's also in the sweat material, but it's made in just the most flattering, feminine way. You guys know I'm a girly girl at heart, and it just makes all my curves look cute. I really love this piece. Thought it was very interesting when I saw it in the designs, but once it all got made up and I saw it in person, I was like, wow, this is a thing. This is a great thing. So I think that people are looking for pieces that are a little bit different and say something, you'll be able to find it in the collection. There are a couple of other two pieces and one other jumpsuit. You can see them all on the website, and it should be available now, or you can download the app to get early access. I will have links in the description bar below where you can get your hands hopefully on everything. If you see something that you like, pick it up. They are shipping worldwide, and this was such a great project. It's been in the works. We've had a lot has happened to everybody in 2020. Let's keep it real. There have been date changes, there have been pushbacks, but I'm so excited that you guys should be able to get your hands on a collaboration and a collection that I'm really proud of, and I'm really excited for you all to see and be a part of. Let me know what's your favorite piece in the comments. Please do tell me. I'd love to see. And if you guys pick them up and you get your looks, tag Lavish Alice. I'll be doing something a little special for everybody, but I want to see your posts as well. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'm so proud and so excited to be able to do this. I hope this gave you a great overview, but you can see everything on the website. All right guys, I will catch you all later. Bye.